guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. Today's video we are going to talk about some of my favorite products to use. I've been really loving these products and I've been using them I think like every day since I've got them. So I have skincare, I have hair care, I have makeup obviously, and yeah, let's start. Since I put everything in a basket, I'm just going to pick the products like randomly and talk to you guys quickly why I really love these products. And I say quickly because I ramble a lot, you know. So the first product is Speechless from IGK. IGK is a hair brand. I love this brand so much. They have amazing products and I love their packaging, by the way. It's super cool, super, I don't know, it has like a vibe to it. This is a dry oil finishing spray for hair and body. Oh my God, I've never used it for my body. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like a really nice glow to it. So obviously you can see like my hair is damaged. I need to cut the ends, you know, because I've been bleaching it for so many times. And this is just a really nice product to add a little bit of sheen to it. And what I really like about this product is that your hair doesn't get oily. Sometimes I use too many serums and oils for my hair and then it looks almost like greasy. And with this one, it doesn't even feel like it's an oil. So it's like a dry oil, really good if you want to have like the beautiful shiny hair, especially if you're doing like a really tight, neat ponytail. This is going to be amazing to spray it all over your hair and apparently your body. Another product from IGK, this is First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, a mouthful. This is a lifesaver when it comes to dry shampoo. I've never been a huge fan of dry shampoos. I really wanted to like it, but I've never really used a dry shampoo from which I felt like, oh my God, this is so good for my hair. I always got super, like my scalp got super itchy and red and it was just annoying and I thought I was allergic to it. So now I finally have this one. This is the best dry shampoo you ever have in your life. And I can say that without any hesitation. Not only it cleans the scalp from oils and stuff, it also gives so much volume and it doesn't feel like it's like sometimes with dry shampoos, you kind of have like that resistance feeling. And with this one, you don't have that. And also, I don't want to wash my hair that much. If it wasn't for this one, I could never. So yes, so this one. Then I have some skincare. You know what? Let's do hair care, skincare, and makeup. Another one, this is a Wow, Whoa, what color Wow, Whoa? I don't know. Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. I think you also have this one for curls, for curly hair. I saw Chris Appleton using this, celebrity hairstylist, and I saw him using it quite often. He mentioned it so many times in his caption from Instagram. I think he's like ambassador for this brand. So I was like, you know what, let's see what this hype is all about. And I can tell you that this is amazing. So you spray it on damp hair and then you blow dry it the way you want. And it's like you had like a keratin treatment. It's super shiny and silky and oh, it's just beautiful. Like perfectly smooth hair. The only thing I'm not really into is that I don't like to have extremely smooth shiny hair all the time because you know, I mean, I do like it, but it's lacking texture and obviously I'm not like a hairstylist, so I don't know how to fix that. So I always need to go in with my Way texture spray, especially like the next day or in 2 or 3 days when I still don't want to wash my hair. I feel like I'm lacking texture and I feel like I have to wash my hair because it's so flat and too shiny and almost too silky. But if you want that beautiful, glowy, gorgeous hair, especially if you're a bride and you're going to get married or you have like a special like important occasion, oh, beautiful. I've received this a long time ago, but silly me, I just put it in like the drawer with all of my skincare products because I really didn't know what it was exactly. But this is a Plumping skin softener and I use it after I wash my face. It makes my skin feel super hydrated. It makes it feel very soft and smooth and I like the feeling of it. And the thing is, everything you're going to apply after you've applied the essence is going to be even more moisturized. I don't know really how to explain it, but it holds on to hydration and I love it. There's nothing I've used from Tatcha that I didn't like actually because yeah, this brand is just amazing and I love it. And then I have 3 more skincare products and I'm going to talk about this at the same time. Kylie Skin. This is the Vanilla Milk Toner and this is the Foaming Face Wash. So I was a bit skeptic about Kylie skincare products because I don't know, I was just a bit skeptic. I thought it's such a big company and I thought it's just going to be a mass production. I'm not sure if they are going to really focus on the ingredients and like on skincare, and they are like specialized in makeup. But I was really pleasantly surprised, especially with these two products. This is super gentle for my skin, and even though I have pretty strong toners, every time I clean with this one, I always still see dirt on my cotton pad. So you would think it's very aggressive and strong, but it's actually super soft for the skin. So every time I use it, it's like, is it like even a toner because it's like so soft? At the same time, it really does a great job and it really picks off all the last dirt you have on your skin. So with face washes, I'm always super like, I really want to have like a mild face wash, like a gentle face wash, but I do want to have like super clean skin. And usually with more aggressive face washes, my skin feels super dry after. So I can't wait to grab like my moisturizer and like apply it immediately on my skin. And with this one, it really does a great job cleaning your face. You don't have the feeling that your skin is being pulled and it's super dry. So I really like it. And I also like the fact that this is liquid, but once you pump it, it gets foamy. So yeah, a little goes a long way, by the way. So yeah, Kylie skin, love it. Right now my skin is doing really good, knock on wood, because you never know, you know, when the acne is coming back. But I've been using this. I was a bit skeptic about The Ordinary too, not because I'm like, oh my god, like high-end skincare products are the best and blah blah blah, but like I think in my unconsciousness I always thought, like with skincare, I'm always like a little bit afraid when it's a bit inexpensive, which doesn't make sense. But now I'm like, I was kind of like prejudged, but now I can just wipe it off the table. So this is the Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. You can only use it like maximum twice a week, I think. You have to rinse it off after 10 minutes. So that is what I do. I actually use it once a week. Whew, love this so much. This is like an intense peeling. Sometimes it really burns. Sometimes it almost hurts on some spots of my face. Sometimes I don't feel anything. I don't know what that's all about. Maybe like the more dead skin cells you have, the more it's going to burn. But every time I use this, I feel like I'm a new person. I don't really scrub my face anymore. That's why I didn't show you guys the walnut scrub from Kylie Skin, because I think, you know, the scrub is a bit too big and aggressive for the skin. So instead, I love a peeling, and this is a really good one. I do have to say, like with The Ordinary, I feel like you have to be almost like your own esthetician. So you really need to do some research on these products before you can actually use them. But yeah, this one and I became friends really quickly. Obviously, I have way more products to show you, but if I'm going to do like put that in one video, this video is going to be too long, so that's why I want to do like separate videos if you guys like it. So thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. I personally really like watching them, and thumbs down if you don't. For makeup, All Hours foundation from YSL. Smooth, silky, super full coverage, doesn't feel full coverage, doesn't feel thick on the skin. Facetune in a bottle, really amazing. The only thing is I got a bit of a wrong shade. This is B60, and I thought it was going to be good, but you guys can see it already. It's a bit too light and a little bit rosy. Like the undertone is a bit rosy, so I look a tiny bit gray. My nails look horrible, by the way. But anyways, yeah, really good foundation if you're looking for a very good coverage foundation. Second, it's the opposite from the All Hours foundation from YSL. This is Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, and this is in the shade Natural Radiance. I love this one. It's really glowy. I'm not sure if you're going to like it if you have really oily skin. Like the coverage, obviously it doesn't have a lot of coverage. It's super light. But if you have good skin at the moment and you don't want to wear like heavy foundations all the time, in fact, I used this one and I went in with powder and blush and concealer, and I didn't have to wear any foundation. My skin looked unreal. It looked like I had no makeup on. Not even like no makeup, but just like no makeup. It's actually the same, but you guys know what I mean. So yeah, tinted moisturizer on good skin days. And also when I go to the gym, I apply this a little bit on my cheeks to have like, oh my god, I'm so healthy, I'm working out, you know. Then I also have this blush from Iconic London, and these are amazing. Iconic London, I love that brand so much. This is the shade Rose Riot, and this is my favorite shade. It's like a Barbie perfect coral pink color, and it's liquid, so you have to be into that, But if you like using like liquid glows, if you love a natural effect, you can always go in with a blush, like powder blush later on. If you are going to do groceries on your no makeup days and you want to look a tiny bit more healthy, like you had that 2 hours of extra sleep, you just like use it for those moments when you're like, I just woke up like this and I look super radiant and I'm glowing from within and I have a pregnancy glow without actually being pregnant. Next product, also a very glowing product. This is Ilia Liquid Light Serum Highlighter. And this is Nova, the shade Nova. So this is a serum highlighter. It's pretty expensive. I think I mentioned it in my previous video, but it's pretty expensive. So I thought, why is it so expensive? And then I applied it on my face and I was like, that is why you're so expensive. The only thing, I'm not really 100% sure how to use it. It says serum highlighter. I've used this underneath my foundation. I love that effect. I've used it on top of my foundation and then it looks amazing. But now that I'm really into baking and like powdering my face, it's quite hard to use. But if I don't do that on my I woke up like this days, then I love to use it on my cheekbones, a little bit on the apples of my cheek. And yeah, it's actually a really good highlighter. So if you're into like liquids and stuff, you're really, really going to love it. You are really going to have like a glass skin with this. So next I have some brushes. I never really show you guys brushes because I have so many brands. I use Sigma, I use Morphe, I use BH Cosmetics, I use Zoeva. Like, I use so many brands. It doesn't really like make sense if I show you just one brand, but this one stood out. This is the NARS. I think this was the holiday collection. The quality is just amazing. The eyeshadows blend like butter, and I don't know, like I also use this today. It's just, I really want to use this on my skin. It almost feels like wet because it is so silky. You know what I mean? Like, So obviously we all know the creamy concealer from NARS and everyone loves it. I just wanted to point out this shade. This is Honey. This has a bit of a pinky undertone. And I've mentioned this a couple of times, but the makeup artist from Kylie Jenner uses this one together with ginger on her skin. I personally really like the fact that this has a pinky undertone. Kylie is really into pink undertones, and I do get that because you get like a fresh, oh my god, my stomach, do you guys hear that? I can't really explain it, but it looks a bit more fresh and youthful. Yeah, you guys really need to try out, not too pinky, but just like a concealer with a slightly pink touch to it. And then I have two lip products. This one is really nice. This is NARS Barbara lipstick. I'm not wearing it today, actually. In almost every picture, on Instagram, on stories, and I think in my latest YouTube tutorials, I've been wearing this. This is Barbara from NARS. The packaging looks amazing. I think this was made for the holidays as well. And it's just a beautiful, nice pink nude lipstick, and it's not too nude. So if you're not really into, it's more like a neutral nude, neutral pink nude. It's smooth, creamy, buttery, pigmented, everything you're looking for in a lipstick. And then for glass, we have Artist Couture in Uncensored. This has a really beautiful neutral nude undertone. When you're wearing a lipstick and it turns out to be too pinky or too peachy, you just go in with this shade and then you get this beautiful neutral Kim K, J-Lo kind of nude lip. The formula is amazing as well, and it's really pigmented, so you can use it like with a lip liner as well. I don't know, should we do another one or is it like too much already? I'm quickly going to talk about this. You guys have seen this before. It doesn't look really great now. Packaging, you know. Anyways, this is the Viseart Muse Nudes palette, and I've been using this for a long time. I actually kind of like rediscovered it in the drawer. You can just play around with the colors. If you want to make it a bit more pinky, you can make the center a bit lighter. The formula is amazing as well. You can make it peachy, pinky, more brown, everything. And you can just play around with it. If you are a makeup artist and you have clients, this is going to be amazing. So the only thing I don't like about it is, you know, it's just a lip palette. So you're just, usually you don't put this in your bag and bring it with you so you can just touch up every time and everywhere. So that's the only thing, but I think you have that with like every palette. So I'm not a huge fan of lip palettes in general, but this one, mwah, you can't stop playing around. You customize your own lipstick, you know. I promise you guys a last one because I forgot this one and I brought it with me, but this is a scent, a fragrance. which smells so good. I got this in PR. The first time I got it, I thought it was a bit too much, a bit too warm. You know, usually I'm very picky when it comes to fragrances. I love fresh cotton, sometimes citrus, sometimes a bit like manly, cool fragrances, if that makes sense, like tea scents. And I've used this just because I was curious, and now this is the best fragrance I've ever tried. Like, one spray is going to last for the whole day. Every time I wear the scent, people ask me, what are you wearing? The smell lasts forever. It's feminine, it's sexy, but powerful at the same time. Not too much. It's just so intriguing and mysterious. I love it. I actually didn't want to share because I thought, you know, now everyone's going to smell like me. But then I thought, don't be a bitch. This comes from the heart, you know, so you better appreciate it. La Couvent des Minimes. And the name is Tinhar, I think. I love the way I pronounce this, like with full confidence. And then on the back, Tinhar. I don't know. I believe it's French, but okay, screenshot. You're going to smell like a billionaire, but it costs you, I think, less than $100. So yeah, go and smell it, and then you can smell me. Quickly going to get ready because I'm going out for dinner with friends. Let me know if you guys like this type of video because I can definitely do more. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!